While digitalization is supposed to make everything easier, it sometimes comes with unforeseen consequences. It requires us to learn new ways to communicate, new ways to collaborate. When the individual parts of a mosaic are scattered across meeting rooms and offices in different locations, it's difficult for everyone to see the big picture, to be on the same page. Cyviz creates spaces for people and organizations to collaborate. We make sure that groups of people can see the same information at the same time, regardless of where they are. Make sure decisions are made on time, and that conversations flow seamlessly across continents. Our control rooms are designed to create situational awareness so that any operation can take action and respond in real time. In other words, we provide visual intelligence. And in order to do that, we need to make sure our products are reliable and stable. That's why we make them ourselves. We make both hardware and software. We design, build, ship, and install. Our solutions are easy to use and allow you to use your preferred software wherever you are. The platform we've created makes every room in every location work in the same way. We call it Cyviz Easy, and it allows us to design experiences. So although our solutions represent a quantum leap in visualization and collaboration technology, they're made with the sole purpose of making life easier for everyone who needs to communicate and collaborate. Digitalization is going to revolutionize the way the world works. Embrace the adventure.